Mr. Speaker, I rise in strong support of two amendments to the National Defense Authorization Act, which will improve the United States' ability to prevent human rights violations connected to the pandemic and improve its response to future public health catastrophes. Our countries around the world have struggled to contain the virus and protect their citizens. Some bad actors are using coronavirus response efforts as a pretext to chip away at the rights of their citizens, stifle protests, and limit the freedom of speech and the press. We must hold accountable the authoritarians who use COVID-19 as an opportunity to suppress dissent. I am pleased that my colleagues supported and passed Congressman McGovern's and my amendment, which will ensure the United States uses a robust toolkit, including reporting, foreign assistance programming, and guidance to protect basic human rights during this time of uncertainty. I am proud to co-lead in a bipartisan effort this important amendment, and I am grateful for its adoption. I also thank my colleagues for their support and adoption of Congressman Connolly's and my amendment, which would greatly improve the United States' ability to prevent and respond to global health threats like the coronavirus pandemic. This amendment will establish a federal official tasked with coordinating interagency responses to global health emergencies and requires the United States to proactively strategize for future crises. It also strengthens U.S. efforts to help our partners fight and contain outbreaks within their own borders. As we have seen during this tragedy, viruses can spread across the borders and oceans with deadly speed. Improving nations' abilities to address public health threats before they spin out of control is a matter of national security. I am glad to have worked again in a bipartisan effort to see that the House both approved and adopted these amendments to the National Defense Authorization Act. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I yield back.